This is a fair and stern warning to everyone in Titan Championship Wrestling. Because I see all of you. I see the Ken Powers. I see the Blocks. I see the Picards. I see the Castles. I see the Outcasts. I see the Adam Aces. I see the Roxas. I see all of you hungry, chomping at the bit. You want a shot? You step up. You better be ready. Because if you aren't ready, I am going to eat you alive. I am on a whole nother level. The era of Savage has just begun. Savage.
We go 0 to 100 real quick. They be on that rap to pay the bills.